Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Keep watching the video till the end to not miss any update from us. First of all, you have to swipe this. You can turn your Wi-Fi down and you can go to your message. You can also type anything you want, but it will not be sent. And again, you can turn on your Wi-Fi. In this way, you can hide your online status. There is another one option. On the top right, you can see here 3-dot button. You have to click on that and go to settings. You can see your account. You have to click on that. You have to go to your privacy and click on last seen. You can change here from everybody to nobody. In these ways, you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.